Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create product pictures, okay, for your e-commerce website or for your e-commerce or marketing your product. We're going to learn how to generate or to create different kind of products like this or like these with the help of an AI. Okay, so you have the basic product and you want to improve your sales. We can have the AI generate images of people wearing that same product that you have generated. So the platform that we're going to use for today is none other than Focus. I've made a video about it, and to access it, you can just click on the link we have in the description, and you just click on the link on the description. It will bring you over here. So the first thing you need to do while you are here is to come over here and click on connect. Now, once you have this green tick, it means it's connected. So you can come down here and click on this play sign and you can say run anyway and just give you some seconds to finish the installation. Then you can start running your AI tool. Okay. This may take some time. So we'll just give you some seconds to finish. All right, so once you have this app started successful, you can click on either of the two links, either this or this one. So let's go with this to start the Focus AI. All right, so now once you're here, you can see that this is the prompting area, but then we can come down here. Our main target is image. So we're going to import the image. We can drag and drop the image over here, and then we can have some other simple changes like the image prompt should come over here. And this is where we can drag and drop our image. All right, so let's go on and picking the image of a product. As we have these different images of products of different types, let's say we're going to use the image of this suite that we have, so we can import it and try to generate the products image from. Okay, so we can drag and drop, or let's go here and let's go to this and let's select this and import it. All right, so the prompt now, we have to type in the prompt. How do we type in the prompt? Let's go to ChatGPT, go to new conversation, and then ask it to help us to generate the prompt. Yeah, can you help me generate a prompt for a product image to give to Focus AI to generate the image of a man wearing a suit? My product, that's my product. Focus on the details of the man, let him be looking at the camera and keep some natural lighting on his face. So we can just go ahead and give an enter. And this is going to give us a prompt that we can give to. So you can see the prompt over here. We just copy directly and then let's say Control C. And then we can go back to our Focus AI, paste it here. And then we can come down here. You can come to advanced and we can check out different features over here. For best results, we can take this to 0.88 and take this to 0.99. Okay, this is just for best results. And then we can check out the other features. We can leave everything at default if you're interested. And then we can come over here and say generate. All right, so you can see the images that were created. Highly interesting from this suite. It has generated the image of a man wearing the same suit that we have just provided. You can see the details of everything. You can click to have a preview. Look at the clarity. This is really fantastic. You can check out the image. This is good for you demonstrating the image, the use of the product on your customers. It can help you to upscale or to enhance the sales of your product if you know how to add in or create this image. And you can download it from here directly and you can be able to have access to it very easily. You can see we've just downloaded it and you can see the clarity in the image, the product image that we just created. So let's try another one for a female because we have another female dress. Okay, so let's come over here. Okay, give me another prompt for a female dress and let it cover the whole body because and include her legs as the dress is tall. Okay, so let's now hit on enter and let's have the prompt from ChatGPT on a woman who wearing an elegant full-length dress. So let's copy this and then go back to our Focus AI. All right, so let's go back to Focus AI. We've enjoyed this. So let's click on this and paste in the prompt. And then let's come over here and remove this image and then add another image. So let's say we're going to use this female dress and then hit on open. You can see the dress and then you can keep everything at default and then we come over here and say generate. All right, so you can see the images that they have created, two very fantastic images. You can click and see the clarity, and you can click also to see how clear this same product that it has created for us, the product image. We can just go ahead and download it also if you're interested. Okay, so basically this does it on this simple tutorial on how to generate product images using different kind of products by having AI to wear that specific product for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.